If you've ever seen a Boeing 757 with an eerily unidentifiable livery, you might have caught a glimpse of one of Comco's mysterious aircraft. While Comco is officially an aviation and engineering services company, there have been conspiracy theories about the operator's true identity. Theories range from the planes flying for the US Department of Defense to serving as super-secret CIA prisoner transport aircraft. Information is scarce. However, several suspicious incidents have lent support to theories of government involvement. Let's take a look for today's video. Despite information showing that Comco may be linked with L3 Harris, a major US defense contractor, definitive proof remains scarce. The unusual appearance and features of Comco's 757s, such as their nondescript liveries and door padlocks, cast further intrigue on the company. The leading speculation is that its aircraft are operated by the United States Department of Defense. According to its website, Comco is a, quote, aviation and engineering services company that specializes in providing aviation engineering testing services. Its headquarters are stated to be in Burbank, California, although its two jets are based in Nashville. Comco was established at the end of 2001, and this operator has just two Boeing 757-200s, both powered by Rolls-Royce RB211 engines. Contributing to its enigmatic nature, there is speculation that Comco's aircraft are repainted occasionally to display military serial numbers instead of the usual civilian codes. It's also common for Comco's aircraft to be confused with the Air Force's Boeing C-32B aircraft, which are equally sparsely marked and have a similar air of secrecy. Several other things point to classified operations. While the interior configuration of Comco's aircraft remains a mystery, several interesting features about the two planes are widely accepted as truth. Like many transport aircraft operated by government entities, Comco's 757s feature self-contained air stairs. However, passengers at various US airports have spotted the jets pulling up to gates with jet bridges attached. This has sparked many rumors that the aircraft only use gates when the operator doesn't want onlookers to see who or what is being unloaded. An additional perplexing feature of Comco's 757s is that the aircraft are sealed and locked with padlocks when parked and unused, something highly unusual for an aircraft of this type and size. The 757s have also been involved in suspicious activity. One such notable event occurred in February 2003 when one of the aircraft flew into Indian airspace without permission, prompting the Indian military to scramble a fighter jet. Upon questioning of crew and passengers, the aircraft was stated to be in the region due to a desire to start a charter company. Their excuse was that some crew members were on board to familiarize themselves with the route and the plane's communication and navigation systems. The incident occurred only 3 days after a US Air Force aircraft flew 150 nautical miles east of Chennai into restricted airspace. While it's generally accepted that the aircraft's listed operator, L3 Capital, is a subsidiary of the major defense contractor L3 Harris, additional theories have also emerged. In 2007, when the company was still operating under its original name, several of its aircraft were named in an inquiry by European Parliament into alleged CIA torture flights. According to Amnesty International, these flights are believed to be responsible for transporting passengers to foreign locations for unsanctioned interrogation and torture. The suspicious activity of one of these Gulfstream jets in Birmingham, England, coincided with a Comco 757 which had arrived the day prior. Ultimately, while many may try to investigate Comco further, the company's level of enigma remains firm. The only clear thing is that the continued intrigue and shrouded nature of these 757s will continue to fascinate aviation and espionage enthusiasts for years to come. Have you ever seen one of Comco's 757s? If so, tell us in the comments. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.